1. Blue eyes are not actually blue. Blue eye color is determined by melanin, and melanin is actually brown. The color of our eyes depends on the amount of melanin in the iris. Brown eyes have the most melanin in the iris and blue eyes have the least melanin. It may sound a little strange, but blue eyes are actually colored because of a natural phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. Blue eyes are due to colorless iris stroma. This phenomenon scatters all the light that shines on it, and in fact the blue color of the eyes is the same light that you see in the sky. 2. Less than 10% have blue eyes. Out of the whole world's population, less than 10% have blue eyes. It is estimated that 8 to 10% of nearly 8 billion people have blue eyes. This means only 640 million people have blue eyes. 3. Blue eyes can change its color in babies. The next one on facts about blue eyes is about babies. If your baby has blue eyes at its birth, that does not mean it will have blue eyes forever. The melanin takes some time for babies to get deposited, which can lead to a change in the color of baby's eyes. 4. Blue eyes are better at night vision. The lack of melanin does surely mean that blue eyes are sensitive towards light, but it also gives you another one of the benefits of blue eyes. The lack of melanin means more light can enter your eyes. This means at night when minimum light is visible, people with blue eyes can see better than others.